Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block calendar on Airbnb. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you, including Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, whatever browser you have. So of course, once you open that browser, go to this URL section, simply type bnb.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on this website. So the first thing that you would like to do here is just go to the top right corner, click on these three lines, then click on login to log in into your account if you have one. As you can see, you can log in with your phone number or with Facebook, Google, Apple, or even email. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on sign up instead of login. And here you'll have to, of course, enter a phone number, or you can continue again with a Facebook, Google, Apple, or email. So if you just sign in into your account, you'll find this, and you will have, of course, to read all the term of service and make sure to agree on them and click on continue. And here you are. Welcome to Airbnb, and you'll have your account here. Of course, you will have to add your phone number as one of the steps if you want, especially to host some places to rent. And if you don't want to do that, click at I will do it later. You can upload a photo, as you can see, as the step two, or if you don't, you can click at I'll do it later, and you will be good to go with your account. So as we said in the beginning of the tutorials, we would like to block calendar. And of course, if you want to do that, go to the top right corner, click on it, click on manage lesson. Once you're here, click on calendar, then click on settings at the top right corner, which is pricing and availability. If you want to block something here on the calendar, scroll down until you find this calendar availability, then edit the time that you want to block the calendar on it so no one can book on that time. You'll be good to go. So this will be actually good for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.